As a business owner, wouldn't it be nice if you could add some conversational memory to your chat flow so that it is able to remember everything you said and you can have a conversation like you are used to do with ChatGPT? Well, we actually can do that, so let's see how. In the last video we have created an AI flow that was able to answer just one question because it was not saving the conversation in any kind of memory. We have used the OpenAI component here. So let's see how we can add some memory. Let's go back to the dashboard. I will mark this flow and duplicate it. So now we can add a few components. Let's call it AI flow OpenAI with memory. I'm going to break this connection here, move this a little bit more to the left side. You can drag the whole stuff around and place components wherever you want without breaking the connections. Now let's add a prompt component here. And we should be able to modify this one by clicking on the edit prompt link. We can also do this in full screen mode. Let's say, please remember the conversation as context. And when we use these curly braces here, we can see that we have a new variable here called context. And let's do the same for the question. Let's click check and save. Now we have something called context here. We can search for something in this field here, and we will use chat memory. So let's connect the messages to the context and the chat input to the question. Of course, we need to provide an API key, which I have saved before. And this should be good to go. So let's see. I ask it, who is Olaf Scholz? But so far I don't get an answer. And that is because I have missed to reconnect the chat OpenAI component here. Let's try it again. And this time it's thinking. And I have a connection error. And this is because I have messed up this connection. So let's delete it and use the right one for the input. I will clear the history here and ask, who is Olaf Scholz? And it says Olaf Scholz is a German politician. Now I will ask, who is Angela Merkel? And I get a different answer. So let's say, which questions did I ask you? And this time it knows that I have asked for Olaf Scholz several times, and the last question was about Angela Merkel. So our memory component works. And in this little video you have learned how to clone the existing OpenAI chat flow we had, add a prompt component and some chat memory. I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month, we will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.